Welcome. In front of me is a REALME GT 7T, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So, to get started, you want to swipe down from the top of your screen, and in this area right here, swipe down again, which will extend the list of visible toggles. You want to obviously locate the power saving mode. For me, it is right over here, power saving mode, you can see. Once you see that, you can tap on it, it turns blue, which indicates that it is right now enabled, and the brightness did drop just a little bit along with that being enabled. So once you're done using it, you can also turn it off by tapping on a toggle again, and this will revert all the changes. Now, there are some things happening on your device that you might not be used to or expecting. These are most likely changes that the power saving mode is doing to preserve battery life. But anyway, with that being said, hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.